Welcome theme park junkie fans, this is Joe here at Universal Studios Orlando. So over here by the NBC's Grill and Brew, this is rumored to be the new Voodoo Donut Shop, based out of California is where the other one is. So we'll see. Not sure if it's going to be, but that's what it's rumored to be, and it's already got construction. So right up here, you know, where they have the Burger King and all the restaurants. We'll keep you updated. We'll be back, like I said, in 2 weeks. So. Alright guys, we're in the park, and here we are, Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem, and the time is 45-minute wait time. Not too bad. And right across we have Shrek 4D with a 15-minute wait time. Not bad at all. Not bad. So let's head into the park, have some fun. Alright guys, if you remember, this building right here used to house Terminator T2 3D, but it's gone now. But the word is it's going to be replaced with a high-action thrill ride. But that's all they're saying as of right now, so we'll keep you posted on that. And now we're going to head on over to the prop shop. There's Shaggy and Daphne. And look who it is, Doc Brown, Back to the Future.
Where's north? It's over that one. North? Yeah, north is up. Yeah, it's over there. Sure, what's your name? Way from there tonight. Alright, see you in the future.
Here we go, into the prop shop.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hey.
I love the color.
Thank you. I like your outfit.
Well, this is one fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you having a good time?
Yes, we are.
You're a princess. Oh my goodness. I'm meeting royalty.
We even got a season pass.
Look at that. So you practically live here, huh? Hey, I want to get to see more of you. Oh, gee. Well, I love hanging out here at Hollywood Boulevard, and sometimes I go over to Toon Lagoon as well. I hope to see more of you.
Yes, me too.
Should we give you a hug?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, my wife's very happy. She got to meet Betty Boop. Alright, well, take a look around the prop shop.
This is $7.50. That's not bad. I like. Different stuff, so it's
Yeah, there has been some new stuff added since we've been here last, which was a really long time ago. $150 and that gigantic skull could be yours. I really want to buy that. The old battleship bomb. I think it says, oh, $510. I thought it said $10. Wow. For some wooden gears. That's what I want. I want to check out Captain America. Check out this Captain America. How much is he? Oh, he's sold. Hello. Thor. Imagine having that in your house. Just sitting in the corner.
Look how cute they make this, huh? Like the mirror. It's supposed to be
Not that much more.
So for $500,
Look at the elf.
that elf could be yours.
He's even hangs.
Yeah, I'm actually like crazy.
$1,000. $1,000.
You would like this one. I like this Christmas.
Okay, I went to like freaking.
In New
I
York.
think he's literally as tall.
Yeah. I think he is.
Hmm.
He's almost human. Human size. Look at the top one.
I mean,
Oh wow. Look at that poster from the Ghostbusters, the PKE meter. Dr. Peter Venkman. For all you guys who remember that movie. So, $89.95. Nice piece of memorabilia. Alright, well, that's gonna do it here at the prop shop.
Give me an update on that reserve. Box readiness. What was his name? Or was it? Evac.
And move to the furthest available seat. Supervise children, making sure that each child has their own seat on board evac. Place carry-on items on the floor in front of you. Do not lower the lap restraint until everyone in your row is seated. And keep arms and legs clear of evac's door. You will require a set of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. And, of course, no eating, drinking, smoking, or photography of any kind. Hold on to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated.
Construction team is talking to my authorized attention to the nest and the surrounding area. If I identify as a covenant but the future of both of us will be decided by what happens with you. Protect your spark. Protect each other. What? Time out.
And like I was telling you guys before, I've been posting it on Facebook. If you don't follow me on Facebook, go to the Theme Park Junkies at facebook.com and follow us there. I've been sick for a while, so we haven't been able to get out to the parks, but we are here today. So we're walking around and trying to get some footage. We just did the Transformers ride, and that was pretty fun. And as I was telling my wife, I think that the new Fast and the Furious ride is going to be a lot like the Transformers ride, with the whole underground simulation driving and 3D screens. So we'll see if I'm right about that. So as we're walking around, I'll get you some footage today. And sorry if the video is going to be really short, but still not feeling good. It's cold out. We'll see what we can get for you today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, like, share with your friends, follow us on Facebook. Here comes Marilyn Monroe. What's that?
That looks great. Wow, look at that. Oh, very, very good. Oh, love it. Right there. Right, that's good. Hey, Sig, let's do this. Just use the center here. Quiet on the center.
It's a shot of New York and the Rip Roaring Rocket roller coaster.
Miss Monroe.
Right over. There's Jimmy Fallon. Transformers building. They do still have Christmas decorations up, but they won't be lit. Last night was the last night that they were going to be lit. We were here last night, but it was so cold, and me being sick, we opted not to stay. Right across from all that is the new Fast and the Furious Supercharged ride. This is the entranceway when they open it. And this will be March 2018. This will be open. And right around the corner is the exit, and we're going to go over there now and show you the gift shop. And we're going to be here for opening day, hopefully. Alright, like I said, come around the corner just a little bit. And here is the Fast and Furious Custom Gear Shop, now open. I'm sure you remember this building here. Well, now it's the gift shop and the exit of the ride. Let's head on inside. Check out some of the merchandise. See, they got props on the wall. Got all kinds of die casts. More car parts on the wall. They do have a lot of merchandise here for Fast and the Furious, and one gigantic room. Hats, cups, mugs, t-shirts, and more car parts. And this is the ride exit right here. You can see. Nice Universal Studios. See over here, you can get a signed autograph from Michelle Rodriguez Fast and the Furious portrait photo for $350.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you? Alright, so if you notice, there was up here, there was car parts, and they did have nitrous bottles, but they didn't say nitrous on them. So I know that they are currently having copyright issues with some of the car parts. So if you notice, there's no nitrous oxide, there's no superchargers, there's no turbochargers, there's nothing like that in there. So we'll see if they actually put something in there or if they fix the copyright problems that they're having. Other than that, store looks good. Alright, so just a quick update, guys. So what's gonna go on is the 13th of this month we're gonna be over at Busch Gardens and try to do a vanishing point update over there at Adventure Islands while we're there. And then the following week, which is going to be...
No, 2 weeks on the 27th.
On the 27th, we're going to be back here in Orlando, and we're going to be doing the Islands of Adventure park and updates over there and see what's going on.
Plus, also come back to Universal.
And we will also be over here to do some updates to check on any progress on the Fast and the Furious Supercharged ride. But just give you guys heads up, that's what's going to be going on. And don't forget to jump over to our Facebook page. We do keep you posted daily over there. Alright guys, well that's going to do it here today at Universal Studios Orlando. We had a great time here today. Like I said, just not feeling well. I'm still trying to get better. It's cold outside. But we did make it out here. And I hope you enjoyed the little bit of a video and update we were able to do for you. And like I said, the schedule is the 13th we're going to be at Busch Gardens, and the 27th we are going to be at Islands of Adventure and back here at Universal Studios. So until then guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. So until then, we'll see you guys at the theme park. Have a great night guys. Thank you again for everything you guys all do, and thanks for following us.